Welcome back, everybody. VacMaster just hooked me up with the VP195. It's an internal chamber sealer and an external vacuum sealer. One of a kind. It's more small, it's compact, extremely low cost, low weight, very portable. Use my discount code Todd Toven, TODDTOVEN, for 15% off anything at VacMasterFresh.com, including the VP195. So to show it off, I went to Costco. I picked up a 13.2 pound beef top sirloin, top loin. Gonna cut this into strip steaks, show you how you can save a ton of money, and to show you the features of the VP195. Let's get into it. Grab my knives. Haven't used this one yet. Measuring knife for measuring thickness of steaks, and I think one of these butcher knives, maybe boning knife, would do the trick. Well, check it out. I paid $131 for this, $9.99 a pound, so $10 a pound. It's 13.21 pounds. Went to Costco, picked it up. I've done this at Sam's Club before as well. With the tenderloins, you can cut them into filet mignon. You have to do a little bit of trimming, save a lot of money as well. But I've never done it with the top sirloin. Doing the math, these are clips from the store. You can see that the whole top sirloin, $9.99 a pound. The ones that are individually cut and sold in packages of 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., are sold for $15 a pound. In the end, on this one alone, $66 cheaper to cut them yourself. 13.2 pounds, has the fat on the back, but it's trimmed pretty well. You're welcome to trim that off a little more if you want to. I'm gonna try to loosely measure out some steaks here. Let's say we do them an inch thick. Okay, there's 4 inches, 4 inches. This is loose, 4 inches, and about 3 inches. Obviously, I had the thing bent a little bit. Let's subtract one. Probably should be able to get at least 15 or 16 steaks out of this. Shout out to my friends at VacMaster, VacMasterFresh.com. They hooked me up with all this cool stuff for meat processing and for food prep. Check those out. Got a little bit of extra fat on this one. Suppose I could trim it up with my boning knife if I want to make it look more pretty. And another beautiful steak. Do my final trimming of the steaks. In the end, we ended up with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You can see I trimmed these up really close. We're not much into the fat around here. VP195 was just released. You can pick it up at VacMasterFresh.com. It's a first of its kind. If you check it out, you can see it's a lot smaller than my VP230. I think VacMaster was trying to do a few things here. They were trying to make a smaller, more compact, portable unit that's good for hunters, people that fish, food preppers, competition barbecue people, whoever. There's handles on the side. You can pick it up. It's about 30 pounds. I think it's in the 30-pound range, as opposed to my professional model, which is like 90 pounds. This is designed for home use. Probably wouldn't want to use it in a butcher shop like you would the VP230 and all the bigger models, but pretty amazing. You can do up to a 12 by 12 bag in this. It does come with a spacer. Spacers are used if you're sealing something that's really thin. If it's only like a 1/2 inch thick, you can put the spacer in there. Stainless steel construction, just like all the VacMaster units. I've decided to individually bag and seal these. This would be just like you would buy one in the butcher shop. VP195 has really nice lights, nice display like all the VacMaster units. The panel has buttons or keys for vacuum strength. You can see there's 3 settings. I have mine set for the strongest vacuum. 1 for sealing strength. I currently have mine set on 2. This one's for the external canister vacuum. It comes with a hose for the external vacuum. So if some people like to seal, I don't know, let's say like vegetables, dried mushrooms, things like that, where you put them in a canister and you seal them, it comes with that little hose attachment. And this is a marinating strength key here. Shout out to my buddy Michael Andres. I know he uses his for marinating quite a bit, marinating chicken and other meats for his pop-ups. Press that play button. And a beautiful steak ready for the freezer. I like my new toy. I think one thing I'm most excited about is the handles, just how small this is in comparison to my bigger VP230, 30 pounds in the handle. So it's gonna make it really easy to take this traveling with me. If I go on a hunting trip at a hotel or somebody else's house or whatever, we're processing meat, really easy to move this thing in and out of a vehicle. Also nice to have a less expensive option. Not everybody has $1,000 to drop on a Pro model, and this is really cool because you can see it's pretty short. You can fit this on your countertop, so if you're a person that does a lot of stuff at your house, this could sit on your countertop year-round. Keep those steaks coming. I mentioned the external vacuum sealing earlier. That may or may not be something that I use a lot, but I know a lot of people would. You could seal entire beef briskets. You could seal huge racks of ribs. So long as you have a bag that is under that 12 inches in width, you could have it out 3 feet long if you wanted to. If you had a 3 foot long bag, and you could use the vacuum sealing feature to seal that bag outside of the unit. Don't forget my discount code, Todd Toven, TODDTOVEN. You can take it traveling, put it in your car, keep it in your kitchen, wherever you need to. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm not an expert on chamber sealers, but I'm told this is pretty much first of its kind in the industry as far as doing the internal chamber sealing and the external, as long as you want vacuum sealing and the price is right. Also want to give a shout out to my buddy Raul. He's a subscriber of mine. He watches my videos. He's the manager, he's the store manager at my local Costco. A couple years ago, he shouted me out, and it's pretty cool. Every time we go in there, we talk about Blackstone griddles and cooking, and he saw me checking out with my groceries, including this top sirloin. I told him I'd give him a shout out. Thanks for watching, everybody. Tune in to my future videos. You'll probably see me cooking some of these up. I have a lot of other videos coming your way soon. Some wild game processing, and then not some wild game processing for the hunts that I failed at and ate tag soup, as they say. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the steaks.